Hello, this is Steve from Thailand. Today I have to cover this pond now with shade cloth. I'm losing too many fish to that pond herring, the Indian pond herring. It just grabbed another fish. It's trying to grab 2 to 3 every day now. I can't keep shooing it away. I've shot it away 3 times today and it just come in between and grabbed another fish. And then it was just here less than a minute ago trying to get another one. Just ate one. I'm going to have to try and cover it with shade cloth. But there won't be any fish left. Right, so I put bamboo across. Now I'm just going to pull the shade cloth over the bamboo and see what happens. The pond's 2.6 meters wide and the shade cloth's 2 meters wide, so there's going to be a little bit either side. I'm hoping that the bird won't stick its head down. At least there's somewhere for the fish to hide under now.
Cắn nốt. Đéo, không phải đéo. Đéo, đừng có đừng kìa. Hai có đơn còn kìa.
ดึงไปทางนู้นดึงไปทางหางเดี๋ยวความคิด
กันนก
มันชอบ
แต่มันบินมา
ลองเลี้ยงลองม้วนมันนี่ตัว
Yeah, you do it. I'll fix it in a minute.
กันนกร้านนี้ก็เปิด
I don't know how I'm going to pull it tight enough to keep it out of the water. It's a real disaster, this bird. Right then, so I've got this shade cloth right over the pond now. Not actually wide enough to get to the front. So, just hoping that the bird doesn't come and sit on that concrete here and then get the fish there. Makes it harder to feed them and everything now. But the way it's going, there won't be any fish left. So I've just basically put clamps down that end and got bamboo there. We've got bamboo to keep it off the water all the way along. I've had to cover this right down to here now. I've just got the shade cloth zip tied together, and the weight's going to keep it stretched. So I've still got this sticking out of the shade cloth. Still got a pump going over there, and I'll have to see what happens, because I need room to be able to feed them all the time. So it's just a short update on me tilapia pond. Tilapia themselves are going pretty good, except for there seems to be less and less of them every day. Certainly not 1100 in there anymore anyway. Right, anyway, this is Steve living in Thailand with my wife Noi. So thank you for watching. I'm hoping that this will keep the birds away. I thought there was only 1, 2, but there's 2 of them I've seen now. So thank you, bye.